Hi, it's Tiziana. Today I have a new plate from Clear Jelly Stamper and it's number 200. So I'll just open it. So behind there's always some examples of how you could layer them. And this is the plate. It's a kind of abstract plate. Oh, there's two foils. So I've tried that before. I'll write the name of the plate if I can find it. So I had some nail breakage, so I had to cut them all down short. So anyway, I'll start with my Essence base coat. So this is the color, and it looks really like a one coater, I think. Make your mark 02 from Lina. Today I'm using my Clear Jelly Stamper. So you have to be a bit fast. And you can use it for powders also, but I can't show you this in this video, but I'll show it in another video. the nails. So sorry for me being a bit late, 2-3 days late with my upload, but there's been a few birthdays in my family and Christmas and you know, so many things to do. So I hope you liked this one. If you liked my design, please leave a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. I upload my own designs once a week. Once a week I upload it to my YouTube channel. You're very welcome to subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Bye.